In this video, I'll be teaching you a vivid tutorial about how to create a prompt to get this type of images for your folktale stories. That is the trending national. Anybody who is able to create a folktale or this type of images and add a story behind it, that will be a good niche for your channel. So let's open our browser Google. So I'll type in image creator, beam image creator like this. Click on image creator with from Microsoft Designer. So it will come here. So a first timer, you need to log in with your email so that you have access to this one. And then because I have already logged in, that is why my own has come straight this way. So let me paste my prompt here in this search bar. This is my prompt. This is my prompt. Let's read my prompt. That is my prompt. So in this prompt, in this prompt, let's read the prompt and analyze it carefully. In this prompt, they said full image of an African beautiful young woman named Adaeze. She is 25 years old, dressed in African Igbo, Nigeria, Ankara attire, and chinedu, a Nigerian handsome man wearing Igbo attire with beads around his neck and red chieftaincy cap on his head attire. He is 25 years old. They are couples looking happily together. Realistic oil images, HD images. So that is how our description go. We want this type of images. That is why we specifically mention the age, you mention the name, you mention the tribe that you want the images to come from, you mention the country, you let them know that it is a chieftaincy something. So that is why. So after that, you have brought this thing. You will now click on create and wait for some time. It is generating the images. The AI is generating the images now. The AI is generating the images. You wait for some time. That is beautiful. You will get a beautiful images, amazing, so that you can create your folktale story. These are the images created by the AI, Beam, Microsoft Beam. So this is a very nice images. You can use them to attract more viewers and more attention. So you click this three dot and download. So the images that you want, you download them. Any images of your choice, you download them one after the other. And now you make your folk tale. Can't you see that it is like a cartoon and reality? So thank you for watching. Please don't skip this video. Subscribe and share this video for other people to also see. You are amazing family. We are here together. Thank you for watching.